Hello everyone. Hello, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are and where you will be watching this video from. Hello everyone out there. Happy Mother's Day to every one of you. Happy Mother's Day to all the special mother in the world, all the good mother in the world, all the lovely mother in the world. Happy Mother's Day to you all. And a big thanks to every one of you that have already subscribed to my YouTube channel. A big thanks to those of you following me on my page. A big thanks to those of you liking my page. A big thanks to those of you ordering things, commanding, buying, whatever. A big thanks to you all. So my people, today is Mother's Day. Today is our Mother's Day. So I'm here today to tell you, to thank those of you that posted your mother picture, celebrated your loved ones, celebrated your mothers, your sister. Now, it's a good thing. It's a good thing to do. Not when the person is gone, you will not be celebrating the person. Some people, we don't know their mother. Some people, we don't know their father until their mother is dead or their father is dead. They will now come and put it on Facebook and write rest in peace in it. It's not good. It's not good at all. Learn how to celebrate your loved ones. Learn how to celebrate your mother. Learn how to celebrate your father. Learn how to celebrate your friends. Some of you, your friends go, they do birthday for Facebook. Una not go write anything put. You will never wish her happy birthday. You will never wish him happy birthday. Now when he don't die, and you come run, and you go be first person to post that picture and write rest in peace on it. Now you go be the first person. And it's not good. It's not good. It's very, very bad. If you are the type doing it, stop doing it. It's not good. Okay? Learn how to celebrate your mother. Some people will not know their mother. They know they ever bring their mother picture come out. They know they ever celebrate their mother until that their mother don't die. Until that their father don't die. When the mother is not dead, they will not come and put it on Facebook, come and be saying, I just lost their mother. They just lost their mother now. People will not be saying, oh, sorry, oh, condolence, oh, my sympathy, oh, oh. They will not be writing recipes on it. Why don't you celebrate her when she was alive? So, why don't you celebrate her when she was alive? Why don't you celebrate him when he was alive? Celebrate your mother when he's alive. Celebrate your brother when he's alive. Celebrate your father when he's alive. Celebrate them. Today is Mother's Day. Bring God their picture. Write happy mother to them. Their birthday. Bring out their picture. Write happy birthday to them. Celebrate them. Know when they are no more. Know when they are gone. Know when they are died. You will now come and bring their picture and be saying, recipes. You just lost your mom, you just lost your dad now, and you will now bring out the picture. And then people will now know her after death. Then people will now know him after death. I'm just here this evening to let you know that it's not right. It's not right what you are doing. It's not right. If you are the type doing that, or you don't know how to celebrate people, you don't want to celebrate mother, learn her from today. Go and learn it. How to celebrate mother, how to celebrate father, how to celebrate sisters, how to celebrate brothers, how to celebrate your loved ones. Go and learn it now, from today, because it's very bad. It's very bad, very bad. That is bad. Don't let us know your mother after death through recipes. Don't let us know your father after death through recipes. No. Let us know them when they are alive. Don't be ashamed of your family. Don't be ashamed of your mother. Don't be ashamed of your father. He is your father. Father is a father, and mother is a mother, no matter what. You cannot see Obama mother and say, claim it is not your mother. No. It's very bad. Mother is mother, no matter what. If you know you are ashamed to bring out her picture, then go and clean her up. Clean her up. Buy her clothes. Buy her things to dress up. Buy her makeup. Buy her cream, organic cream. Buy her. Let her be using it. If you know you are ashamed to celebrate your mother, you are ashamed to bring out your mother, buy her clothes. Okay? Go and buy her things. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad if you buy her cream. It's not bad, my dear. It's not bad at all. So, please, don't let us know your mother through recipes. Don't let us know your father through recipes, okay? Let us know your mother when she's alive. Let us know your father when he's alive. Let us know your friends, your loved ones, when they are alive. Celebrate them. Bring out their picture. Wish them happy birthday. Wish them happy married life. Wish them congratulations. Celebrate them. Don't always bring out their pictures for recipes. As you see me so, I always find it difficult to write recipes on people's picture. Because I always say, oh, this person that I never celebrate when she's alive. This person I never write beautiful on her pictures. This person I never share a picture. Why will I be the first to bring a picture come out now when she's no more, or when he is no more, to say recipes? Why will I do it? I always find it difficult doing that, except that person is old, not the person that I've never celebrated when him or she is alive. I will, after death, I will not be the first person to bring her picture out. His picture out is very bad. If you are the type, stop doing it. Celebrate people when they are alive. Celebrate your mother when she's alive. Celebrate your father when he's alive. knowing when is no more. As we are today in the world, we don't know where we are going to. We don't know how long we are going to live. It's by His grace we are alive. It's by His grace we slept and wake up. It's by His grace we went out and came back home. It's by God's grace. It's not by our power. So the little opportunity you have, use it to celebrate one another. Use it to love one another. Stop pulling each other down. There's no gain in it. That person will never come to inherit your property. No. It will never come. That brothers will never come to drag your property with you. So, why hatred? Why the hate? Why the hate? So, all we need is love. All we need is celebration. All we need is love one another. All we need is appreciation to each other. Let's put hatred aside. Let's put hatred away. Let's share love, the love of God. Let's begin to love one another and celebrate each other. Stop keeping malice. Some of you keep malice, somebody you don't even know, you have not met. Through Facebook, you keep malice. No, it's not like that. So it's supposed not to be like that. When this one is doing something, you celebrate with the person. When the other one is doing something, you celebrate. You rejoice with the person. Okay? That is it. There's nothing in this life. Nothing. Nothing. Help each other. Husband and wife help each other. This makeup is by me. But this dressing here is by my husband. This things you are seeing here, so is by him. He's the one that fixes, he's the one that dressed me up. That is how it's supposed to be. To your brother, to your sister, to your mother, to your loved ones. Always show love to them when they are alive. Is my topic. Always celebrate your mom when she's alive. Always celebrate your dad when he's alive. Celebrate her. Celebrate him. Post a picture. Don't be ashamed. Post when it's a birthday. Even though you don't know, you ask her. She will tell you. Post it. Write it there. Post today. Mother's Day. Post a picture. Write it there. Celebrate your mother. Please, we don't want to know your mother again after death. Please, we family, Facebook family, social media family. We are begging you all, guys. We don't want to know your parents through after death. We don't want to know them again. Recipes. We want to see them when they are alive. We want to see their picture. We want to see them. So, some of you never post their picture. You never celebrate them. You never share people's picture. If you are the type that you never share people's picture, you never congratulate people, you never wish them well, you never say happy birthday, you never write, you are the first to write recipes, their spirit will ask you. Their spirit will fight you if you don't know. Yes. Their spirit will fight you. If you are the type that always do that, their spirit will fight you. Okay? So you stop. Stop doing it. Celebrate them when they are alive. Share their pictures. Share their messages. Okay? Write good compliments on their pictures or their wherever they're posting. Celebrate with them. Share. Like. Stop the hate. Stop hatred. Okay? And then celebrate your mother. Let us know your mother. We don't care if she's beautiful or she's ugly. Mother is mother. It's not easy to be a mother. It's not easy to be a mother. It's not easy to be a father. So don't be ashamed. Even though your mother is ugly, your mother is your mother. Bring a picture out. Celebrate her. Wish her happy Mother's Day. Wish the father happy Father's Day. We don't do mother now. Now the next one is father. Wish them. Don't be ashamed. Okay? If you are not the type that wish them happy, you say, you know, na compulsory. Is it compulsory for everybody to be wishing their parents? Is it compulsory for everybody to be bringing their parents' picture? Is it compulsory for everybody to bring their mother's picture? Is it compulsory for everybody to bring their father's picture? Yes, it's not compulsory, but if you know that you don't like it, please, when they are no more, don't bring it and let people be writing recipes and let people be saying sorry to you. If you say it now, yeah, now today, me I know they like to bring my mother picture come out. Hey, me I know they like to bring my father come out. When they don't still die, don't bring their picture come out. No say, yeah, they don't die. Oh, my sweet mom. Oh, my sweet dad. Oh, my sweet honey. Oh, I wish you were here. Oh, I wish you were here. I wish you were alive. Since you not be social media person, you are not the social media type. You are not the Facebook people. So after they don't still die, no, they write down. Don't bring it out. Don't bring her out. Don't bring him out. Okay? Just bearing like that. Don't let Facebook family know about it. Since you say you no go celebrate and way she dey alive. So now for that one, try, learn. Don't be ashamed to celebrate your parents, okay? Celebrate your family. Celebrate your loved ones. Is what Facebook is made for. Okay? Facebook is not to hide under it and be bully people. No. Facebook is to celebrate. It's about celebration, about likes, about love, about finding our whole friends. It's all about Facebook. Okay? Then, don't forget your mom. Don't forget your parents. Always ask for them. If you are here that you don't agree with your family, you don't agree with your parents, please have a heart of forgiveness. Have a heart of forgiveness. Forgive them and start calling them back. There's nothing like parents. There's nothing like family. There's nothing like mother. There's nothing like sisters and brothers. No matter what they have done to you and played on their behalf, that you should please and have forgiveness. Find it in your heart and forgive them, please. Forgive them. If you are here watching me, or you will watch me later, or anywhere you will find this video, you will watch me, please forgive your mother. Every time I hear people saying they don't talk to their mother. Hello, my sister who I don't know, Sakatina. Happy Mother's Day to you too. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining me this evening. Okay? So have that heart of forgiveness. Please. Especially we here in Europe. We here abroad. because of what they did to us back home. We find it difficult to forgive them. I'm just here to you today to let you know that let it go. Let it go. It's vanity upon vanity, or it's vanity. Please, let it go. Forgive and forget. Have mercy. The whole world today is pleading, is begging God to have mercy on us. Look how you see how mercy is important. You see how forgiveness is important. Coronavirus, pandemic, whatever is going on, a lot of people are afraid. They are afraid and they are begging God for peace. They are begging God for forgiveness. All we are asking God to forgive us and have mercy upon us. It's the same thing. It's the same thing that your mother is begging for forgiveness. It's the same thing that your brother is begging for forgiveness. It's the same thing that your father is begging for forgiveness. It's the same thing that your auntie, that your family member is begging for forgiveness. Please forgive those who sin. Forgive those who offend you. Forgive those who talk, who you don't like, or you find something they did to you. Have mercy upon them. Forgive your parents. Love your parents back. Take them back again and love them. Okay? Take them back again and love them. Parents is still parents. Mother is still your mother. There is no mother you can use to compare your mother. No. Mother is mother. Your mother is your mother. Stop comparing with people. Stop abandoning your mother and taking choosing others people to be your mother. No. If she's no more, that is different case. When she's alive, concentrate. Take good care of her. Love her. Take good care of your mom. Today is Mother's Day. Post a picture. Celebrate her. We don't want to see rest after death. We now know your mother. Rest in peace. It's only my mother died today. I love her. You now put rest in peace. No. Put happy birthday now. Put a picture. Wish happy birthday. Put a picture. Wish her happy Mother's Day. Put a picture. Wish her. No, when she's no more again, you will now come and be crying and be writing recipes. People on Facebook, family of Facebook will now know your mother through recipes after death. It's not good. Don't be ashamed to publish your family member, your mother. Okay? Hello. Happy Mother's Day to you. Thank you so much, my sweet sister. May God bless you and your family. Thanks for joining me. Okay, that is it. That is it. Please forgive them. Love one another. Stop keeping malice. Stop keeping your mother. Stop hating her. Some people will say, for life, I will never talk to my mother. I know it's hot. Or what she did to you is hot. Please, after anger, forgive her. Mother is mother. Sister is sister. Brothers is brother. Father is father. Today is about mother. Today is about mother. It's not easy for a mother to raise a child. So don't be ashamed out there to publish your mother, okay? So don't be ashamed to celebrate them. So those of you where they always say, I no go now by force to put my mother picture. I don't fit tell you before just now. If you know say you no fit push your mom picture, you no fit celebrate your mom and your dad, beg. If they don't still die, no bring them come. Oh, say you just lost your mother now. Today die, people come the rest in peace. Then we come the know them. We come the know your mother through recipes. People come the write. It's not good. Me, I find it difficult to write recipes because I always tell myself, oh God, I'll just carry person picture way down, come put am, come they say this person died. They always pay me. They always wish to do it, but anytime I want to and they pay me, I'll say no. Person where I never celebrate before. I never ever wish that person anything. I never ever share a picture. I never ever share a video. I never ever write beautiful or congratulations or a picture. Why now? Why will I come and bring him or picture out and come and be saying recipes? I don't do it. It's the same thing there. Stop doing it. Stop doing it. Don't let Facebook member or Facebook family know your mother through recipes after death. You will never bring a picture out. You will never celebrate her. Your dad, you will never celebrate her. Your wife, you will never celebrate her. Today is Mother's Day. Some people celebrated their own. Some of you will never celebrate. You are waiting, may she die first. When you come, they cry, oh, I love her so much. She's oh, I miss her. I wish you are here. I wish you are here with me. But when she was deaf with you, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Nothing. You didn't do anything. You didn't celebrate her. You didn't wish her well. You did support her. Nothing. You were just waiting to come and cry. Hey, how much I love my mother. Oh, you know how much I love my wife. Oh, you know how much I love her. Today is Mother's Day. Celebrate her first. Let the whole world know say you love her. Some of you go say, I beg. Now today, or Facebook, now fake. But you do and make your own not be fake. May you do and may you celebrate them. Celebrate them. Not be everything we see for Facebook. Now it be real. Okay, since you know say your own are real, do and let people learn from your own. Let people start from your own and say, okay. Yeah, go and sit down when he says he's putting out his wife picture. Go and sit down when he's putting his wife picture. Now today, I beg you, why you not do it? Do and celebrate her. Put her picture where? The mother of my children, the best mother in the world. Why can't you do it? Now when after she don't die finish, then you come they write, they cry. Oh, sweet mother, sweet mama. This my mother is too good for me. He raised me nenemi to the nenemi. He made me the woman I am today. Now go write English full everywhere. Now where she there alive, Muna write down for her head though. Write the English support her help her bring the picture. We are here to beg you, we family member, social family member, Facebook family member. We are here to beg some of you out there. Should stop celebrating your mom after death. Stop celebrating your loved ones after death. Stop celebrating your dad after death. Please, have the heart of forgiveness. If your mom offends you, forgive her. If she's not beautiful the way you want it, make her beautiful. Go and buy organic cream. You know, see, aside the shine, so organic. Then buy it for her. Let her be organic mama. Let her be organic mama. Buy it. Oh God, you're still up. Buy it. Later rub the cream if you are ashamed to celebrate your mother. Or you are afraid to, you are ashamed to celebrate your wife. Buy her organic cream. Let her rub it. Okay? Buy her clothes. Clean her up. Don't go and see Obama mom and say your mom not gonna be your mom. Oh. No. Maintain your mom too. Clean her up. Send laces from here. Some people, they buy lace from my handle. I know some people, they'll run, can't give me out. Somebody want to go Nigeria, oh, businesswoman. Eh? You get lace, you get this. All this lace, that time, D&G, Gucci, many people don't buy them from me to send back to their mother. They bought a lot from me. Go and give to my mom. Hey, my mom wearing a wow, you love her. Why can't you buy? Huh? Buy them. Order organic cream. A lot of people are on social media selling. So buy it. Eh? Buy them. If you don't want to buy from me, buy my organic cream. You can go and buy from other people, no problem. So far, may you pay. Maybe my own, okay? Huh? That is it. So don't be ashamed to celebrate your mom. I'm here today to just give you a short video to educate you. What is the time now? So maybe any time from this moment I will be out here because I'm going to work tomorrow. Tomorrow if I wake up 4:30, they go work. When I go to bed, they sleep. They So that is why I find it difficult to come alive all the time. Sometimes when I'm back from work, I'm so tired to come make up, dress. You see this dress today. If not only me, maybe I for not feel make can come. Now my husband, I dress all this one, dress this one, dress this one, but the makeup is by me. But this design is by my husband. They ask me, they do this one. Because if not, they beg you before I do this one, see me and come and beg. Because it's not easy. You see, mother. Now so mother still be oh. Now so that your mother where you are bad on, and so she still do. Now so she still do follow you where you small. It's not easy. Please. As you hear this message, don't watch it, listen. Take the one that will profit you, that will change you, that will touch your heart. Take it and use it and leave the rest. Okay? Don't misunderstand me. Don't change the topic for me. So just take the one that will be okay for you. I'm just here to educate some people. Sometimes all these things you see, you may not see it as nothing, but I'm telling you today is something. Don't forget, celebrate your loved ones. Celebrate them. Celebrate with those that are celebrating so that your hope will come. In your day, someone else will celebrate with you. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lydia Goose TV. And don't forget to follow me on this page, please, Lydia Goose. And don't forget to follow me on IG, Instagram, Lydia Goose. And don't forget to place your order for whatever you want, for anything you want to buy, makeup set, renty bead for your wedding, for your marriage. All this bead is for rent. Different size, different design, different way of dressing it. I have all. So don't forget to call me, give me a call to rent bead or to buy. If you want to buy it, you want to buy it to become yours, you are free to contact me. And to buy, you are free to contact me for rings, jewelry, bag and shoe, hair, weave-on, mask, gel. So you are free to contact me. And Please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow, or I don't know, but you go and subscribe. I will be teaching people how to save money and buy property in Europe. If you are living in France, I will teach you. I will show you the way how to buy property. Okay, go and subscribe. About me is business, and other things about me. Live video is to motivate you and to educate you. So you follow me anywhere. Follow me on my IG. Follow me on my page. Follow me on my YouTube channel, Lydia Goose TV. Okay? Thanks very much for joining me this evening. May God bless each and every one of you that was here, that stay here with me, that watch with me. May God bless you. And may God bless those of you that will share this video. And may God bless you, those of you that will watch this video, that have misunderstanding with your family, that has misunderstanding with your mother or your father. May God bless you as you make your mind to forgive them, as you decide to forgive them. May God bless you, and good thing will always come your way. Favor, prosperity, good health, long life will always come to visit you, come your way as you do so. Thanks very much. God bless you. See you next time on my video. Love you.